Urugamba rwa Pastor Onesmus Asimwe obwabiraye bembiro mukoro gwo kushaba na nokusima hishemero ya BZB Junior School rukushangwa muri shaka Bushenyi municipality abo kwikaje bigizo byabo bya PLE by'umwaka 2024.
That child, your son or daughter, coming with the first grade or second grade is not obvious. We need to recognize that it is by the power of God that our teachers delivered to their best. It is also possible to have very nice teachers, but they don't deliver to their best.
Ishemero ya BZB ribenera simarhanga ahabo kuba basaba bakakora kurungi ho municipality aho bakwasira umwanya gw'15 amashemero 38 kandi bakatunga n'ubonero 81 ahabeji habiziro mu grade yo kubanza.
When I was looking through the performance, especially for the municipality, there is a great success. Imagine, out of 34 schools, our school being the 5th, and with 81% of our pupils coming in first grade.
Winnie Kagumire who principal w'ishomero rya BZB hashabira abashomesa na n'abandi bakozi b'ishomero kukwatanisiza hamwe ho kureba ngo abeji babo tubagaruka nyuma.
Staff, teachers, support staff, mwena buryo mwahari abatechi mwena mukurire mureke tugaruke twataganise hamwe abo kuba tuheza kuzinga chain tukakwataga no mu ngaramteri iyo
Those promise that we are going to work really hard to make sure that there is an improvement, there is betterment. From this year we have gotten 81%, and I promise by the grace of God and with hard work we are going to achieve more than what we have achieved this year.
Mahanj Elias o chairman board asimira bazire bishomero ahabo kubaho bushagiki kandi bakabese gisabeje babo ahwaraganise ngunkishomero tubarabashwaze.
Ebitu aba BZB. Wabare mnonga okunda BZB mukatwastinga n'abana banyu. Nomanya ubone n'umwana ostamana wotwe tukoko umwana mutekaye. Aina muteke akarga mwekintu kwenda ninkai ogumaho teka ukore wasora ukora decision tukamvare BZB tumayisa ngo wajiro wesije azabera kwasima munonga abo twesika.
Alfred Bahat o chairman PTA ashabira beji habaheriza ishomero ryabo okwe kwataje bakekwatarahanga ho naho baraze ngo aho kubense bazorira misho.
So uyu mu rwo environment ya BZB Junior School eyimbire muri kumanya muyo n'umuzaka yo mashomero gaye ninga ariko muza kushanga yemishegeshe ijiri so icyo kubashabiri itwe kabaziri bane icyo kubashabira ngabanda batwire ni no kugira ngo ehimulaze bukumene muri ka BZB okwebenesha
omwahabeje abaherize kibine cya mushanje hari BZB ho tugambiraho nawe asimira ishomero ahabwa mana gubatiremo.
Can't forget the administrators of the school and also the teachers for the much effort they invested in making sure we succeed, and I thank God we succeeded.
Gashakwa Olivia na Sasra umuru Bushenyi ahabwa Sky TV agensho.